Hello! The spooky season is upon us, and with that comes 13 projects of Halloween. Throughout October, I will be releasing 13 videos, each with its own new project. There's going to be knitting, sewing, crafting, painting, and baking. I've got free patterns as well as links to other people's amazing projects that I will be trying, as well as the release of one Halloween knitting pattern that I've been working so hard on, and I'm very excited to share it with you. So here's a little sneak peek of what October is going to look like throughout 13 projects of Halloween. I've been working away at this over the past few months, and I am very excited to get to share it with you. So dive into the mausoleum of your craft supplies as we travel through the veil into 13 projects of Halloween. And of course, please hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell in order to keep up to date with when each project is released. I hope you have a spooky day, and I will see you soon for project number 1. Bye!